Okay, so this is the blue Beetle helmet from Do 3D. About 74% in right now in the back half. Got a little support going on the bottom. It looks like it's coming out pretty good. It's doing these little overhangs now, and those look like they're hanging on there pretty good. So we'll see what happens at the end. It's gonna be a nice looking helmet. Okay, we're at 92%. I'll tell you, it's coming out really nice. The print looks awesome. Do 3D did a great job on this print. Frankly Built just did this one. That's why I'm doing it. I thought he did a great job. He actually used resin to create his helmet, which looked really nice. But I'll tell you, this one's coming out pretty smooth. It's gonna be fairly easy to sand it down and just get it ready, you know, prime it and get it ready for paint. But I am considering going to resin in the fall. I'm thinking about it. Just summer's coming right now, and I got a lot on my plate, so I'm just trying to do a few build here and there and stay busy with it. But I might be getting into some resin. We'll see. I'm thinking about it. It's a little more involved than FDM, FDM printing, but it's yeah, you know, got to get some ventilation. Make sure I got animals in the house. So, all right. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyway, this one's coming out nice. 92%. Should be done in what is it? Like 3 more hours, I think. And then I'm gonna start on the jaw. Do the jaw over here. All right. Awesome. All right. So the back half of the helmet came out pretty good. It's all done. Just got a little spot right here I have to fix up and do some sanding and priming and all the prep work to go in front of the paint. And right now I'm making the jaw piece. And it's about 24% in right now, so that's coming out pretty good too. Not a bad little print. All right, we'll keep updating on this one. All right, 92%. We're getting there. It's coming out pretty good. It looks pretty decent. Got the tree supports. After this, I gotta make the face shield. That's about 23 hours, I believe. 23 and a half hours for the face shield. And yeah, this print's coming out really nice. All right, the jaw came out really good. Very happy with it. Detail looks really good. For FDM, I mean, hey, not bad. I can definitely see how resin could make something look even better. But it's still, resin's just, I mean, the plate, they're getting bigger. They got one now, can do a full helmet. The only problem with it though is right now they're still very expensive. But I don't know, we'll see. I got time to think about it. Might get into doing some miniatures. Doing a little painting. We'll see. It's all up for grabs right now. Who knows? But yeah, this came out sweet. Put the magnets in there. I'll have to buy some magnets. I'm out. I have magnets, just not that size. So I'll have to pick some up. Yeah, I did this at 105% from you know, the normal size, and I could have got away with 100%. I think when I saw Frankly Built put his on, it seemed so tight on his head. I was like, oh my god, I went 5% bigger, and maybe I have a bigger head than him. I don't know, but yeah, I got some room in here, so it ain't bad. I do have to have the jaw on it separated to put it on though, otherwise it is too small for that. So I couldn't just glue this jaw on and just slide it on my head. That wouldn't work. So it has to have the magnets. But I definitely could have went 100, maybe even like 96%, maybe. But yeah, we'll see. The faceplate is just starting now, and it's going to take 24 hours. So exactly 24 hours from now, the faceplate will be done, and I got to make the eyes, the frames that go inside the faceplate for the eyes, which I guess you have options. They give you a lot of options of eyes. I can print out a whole bunch of them, different openings and different things. I usually print one set and that's it, but we'll see how it goes. I haven't decided which ones I'm going to print yet, though. All right, well, we'll see how the faceplate comes out, and until then. All right, so I got my duplicolor base coat, the metallic base coat done. Come out pretty good. We're ready for the duplicolor anodized blue right here for this Blue Beetle helmet, and we'll see. Hopefully it's comes out good. I like the color. I like that blue. It might be a little lighter than the actual blue, but that's all right. I don't mind. I want to try it out. I want to see what it looks like. I think it's going to be pretty cool. And I'll be airbrushing a darker blue. It's a Createx midnight blue, I think it is, for the faceplate, not the eyes. This will be blue, the duplicolor also. So it's coming out pretty good. The prep work paid off. It's really nice and smooth. I don't see much of anything, if anything, wrong with it. But once you put that paint, that anodized paint on it, then you'll see if there is anything. But yeah, I think it looks pretty cool. I mean, it fits really nice. You know, the helmet comes apart. It's hard to do holding this with one hand, but you know, I want to put the magnets on it. Anyway, the faceplate comes off, and the jaw comes off, and I'll show that in the final video. Anyway, it'll come apart. But yeah, this thing's looking pretty sweet. I'm glad I did it. I got this from Do 3D. You know, Frankly Built just put out a video on this a little while back, and he did his with resin printing. This is FDM printing, but it's still come out really nice. And yeah, I got the discount code through him. Watch his video. I forget what the code is, but if you watch his video on this helmet, he tells you what the code is, so you can get a discount on purchasing this file. But it was well worth it. I mean, I forget, it was under 20 something bucks, I think, with the discount. So good deal. All right, so we're gonna go on to paint pretty soon here, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, Blue Beetle is complete. I thought it came out pretty good. I used the Duplicolor Metal Cast Blue, and I airbrushed the dark blue here with a Createx Metallic Midnight Blue, which I thought it fit pretty good. I also printed out the eyes, the grid eyes that came with the Do 3D file. And I'll tell you, I like it. I like the eyes on this. I just went over them with some green and yellow, airbrushed them with some green and yellow metallics and stuff to kind of give them that look. But I think it came out pretty good. I mean, The paint came out good. I like the helmet, the print. I thought all the prep work came out nice. It was nice and smooth. I don't see many problems with it at all. A couple of little things, but I thought it came out nice. Yeah, it fits good. I did this at 105%, and it's got a little room in there for maybe a cushion. I can add a little cushion here and there, make it a little more comfortable. And as you know, it's got the magnets on it, so this thing actually comes apart. Magnets are on there pretty good. There we go. So this comes apart. You can swap out the eyes. So I've got magnets on them too, so you can swap out these. You got different eyes you can print out with different shapes of the eye openings. They pop right in with magnets. Of course, the jawline comes apart too, so that's pretty cool. So you can put it on easily. Then the whole thing just snaps together. Nice and easy, goes right together, nice and tight. Nice tight fit. But yeah, this thing's sweet. I'm glad they came out with it. I know the movie comes out in August, early August. I'm looking forward to that. I believe the kid that plays Blue Beetle is the kid that's in Cobra Kai. That was tutoring under Johnny, I believe, from the Cobra Kai series I've been following. Can't wait for the next series season to come out on that. But yeah, this is pretty cool. I like this helmet. I was working on a Iron Man statue, which I'm still working on, which I put on hold when this helmet came out because I just really liked it, and I just put the other thing on hold and went right into this and printed, did all the work and finished it. And the Iron Man statue is very close to being done. I'll get back on that pretty soon and make a video of that also. It's coming out really nice. Yeah, this thing's just sweet. I'm really glad I did it. You know, I wasn't sure I was going to get much done this spring, but I'm glad I kind of put some things on hold to do this. I mean, if you like this and like my other videos, you know, please subscribe and like it, comment. I mean, I really like to hear from people. If anything, I can any questions I can answer, feel free to ask. But this thing came out nice. And if you want this file from Do 3D, Frankly Built has a discount, 20% off. That's what I used. So I got 20% off this. It was like, I think it was like 23, 24 bucks, something like that. Not a bad deal actually, because it's a nice print. So I do buy some of my prints from Do 3D. I really think they do a good job on most of what they do. So I guess that'll be it. And like I said, stay tuned to my Iron Man. Yeah, Iron Man statue. It's almost 2 feet tall. It's gonna be a good one, good sized statue. Okay, until the next project. Falcon out.